in this video, I'm going to share it to you on how you can use the Windows Malicious Software Removal Tool or the MRT. So let's get started. So in order to use it is we need to open it through a run command. So make a right click at the start button and select run, or you can directly press Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. Now, once the run window is open, you just need to simply type in here MRT, okay? Initials MRT and click on OK. And now the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool window will appear. So what this will do is that this tool will guide you through a quick, full or customized scan, allowing you to identify and remove known malware on your Windows. So click next to continue. And here you can go with quick scan, full scan, or customized scan. So you can go with quick scan if you're in a hurry, but this will just only scan for areas of your system that contain or most likely to contain malicious software. So this will just scan for some areas on your Windows and not the entire Windows. If you will go with full scan, this will scan the entire Windows, the entire system, but this can take for several hours, like more than 2 hours. And if you go with customized scan, in addition to a quick scan, the tool also scan the contents of a user's specified folder. So it is only for specified folders. So the recommended one is to go with full scan because it will scan the entire Windows or the entire system, but this will take more than 2 hours. Okay, but it's up to you. You can go with any of this type of scan, but if you want to scan your entire system, there's no problem for that. You just need to choose full scan and click on next, and the scan will be in progress. So what you can do while this is going on, just need to wait for it. And once this is done, then you just need to simply make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart your Windows. And that's it. Okay, so that's how you can use the Microsoft Windows Malicious Software Removal tool. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.